Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Enjoy Your Fishing. I've come down to the Upper Wytham again, just to relax. My second attempt, see if I can get a chub on the Lincoln stretch. I've not had one yet, but it's just nice to be on the bank, to be honest. Mum's not been so well again this week, so I've come this afternoon just to chill out a little bit. And so if I catch out, that's a bonus. It's just nice to be on the bank. So anyway, got a bit of tease paste, look, that's what I'm going to fish on. I've got some mud worms, and also if I want to, I've got a few dead maggots as well, like some bread if I want to try bread punch. So anyway, thank you all for subscribing. Thank you for watching the videos. It really means a lot, guys, and I really do appreciate it. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Really helps the channel out and helps it to grow. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll get fishing. All right then, guys, talk to you in a bit. Well, that's 35 minutes I've been fishing, not had a sign yet, so I'll give it an hour in this spot, and then I'll just change spots a bit. I will. It's nice just being on the bank, it is. I always think sometimes like this, it's just nice to be on the bank. Like, if you catch a fish, it's a bonus. Right, I'll get back to you in a bit, guys. Well, that's just about an hour in this spot, not at a sign. I might try it on the way back. Right, but I'm just going to go up about 20 yards and just try the other side of this great big tree and that's hanging. Just give it half hour there and then I'll move somewhere else. Alright then, talk to you in a bit, guys. Oh guys, I've tried 4 swims and now I'm just back on the first one just for 20 minutes just before I go. But I'm very disappointed that I've picked up 2 lots. Look, that's line, that's braid. So if you see these on the bank, I know you shouldn't have to, people should clear up after them. It don't take anything to put that in a bag and put it in a bin. Doesn't. I mean, call the Sen anglers, they're not anglers. Like, you know, anything could get caught in that. The wildlife and that, it's just, well, they're not anglers as far as I'm concerned. They're just scumbags. So anyway, I'll put that in my bag. And I'll put it in the bin when I go out. Oh. Yeah. I know we shouldn't have to clean up after other guys that's been fishing. But, and I know the vast majority of you, if you see it, you would pick it up like I have. But they want banning these people that do that. Alright then, guys. It don't look like it's going to happen. So it's going to have to be third time lucky, I think. The second time I've just tried in different areas just for a chub on the whiffum. Right. So we'll just see. Bound to be a few there is, so just dropping on them, I suppose. You pick the likeliest spots, but who knows, it's such a long river from Highcombe Bridge right through to the centre of Lincoln. Such a long river. Right, I'll see you on the next one. It's got a bit of a bread flake on at the minute. Right, I'll see you on the next one. As always, look after yourselves, take care, and enjoy your fishing. Bye for now, guys. Bye.